I'm Chris Taylor, again, from VMware with the Software Defined Edge Group. And you know VMware for what we do for IT data centers, but we're also now with VMware Edge Compute Stack working in OT managed systems. And like other vendors, we can help manufacturers deploy those new smart technologies throughout their manufacturing floor, adding computer vision to do different controls and quality inspection. But we can also take this further and virtualize the entire factory floor. So the typical manufacturing method is you buy a different system for every function. And so in your typical factory here, you would have 4 different systems doing HMI, human machine interface, robot control, and a PLC or Programmable Logic Controller, which is controlling the conveyor belts, and then the computer vision system. And what we're showing here is how we're running all this on a small server all together. So the real-time applications and the non-real-time applications concurrently. And this is important because if you look at a typical manufacturing environment, it's not just those new computers you want to add. Audi, who we're working with closely on this, says they have 15,000 industrial PCs or IPC in this diagram throughout their factories. And that's just in 2 of their smaller factories. And so we can take that and we can virtualize along the machines on the factory line and also put some of these applications into the server room depending on their latency needs. And so if you'd like to learn more, I invite you to watch the talk by Audi on how they go through using edge compute in their factory. Thank you.